Hey, check out this propane refill adapter I have here. This way you can fill your small propane bottles off of your big one. Here's a look at it. Got a gauge right there and the valve here, right there. Thread protectors out of the box there, so just unscrew these. And this is where your propane, your small propane tanks will fit into. And they just thread on like that. You just thread them on. This stays stationary. These are stationary too, they don't move. This just threads right onto your 5-pound bottle. Comes with some directions and some plumber's tape as well, some thread tape. They do recommend before you start this to soap check all the connections here. Okay, I got my 5-gallon propane tank here. I'll go ahead and hook this up right there. Okay, then I just reposition this so these things can make room for the smaller 1-pound bottles. I'll go ahead and take these, put 2 of them right here. Do that. There we go. Put the gauge on there. Works like a champ. All right, you'll hear it when it's done. No more gas going in there. And I'll go ahead and shut the valve off. See how it did. Thanks to this little device right here, I've got 2 16-ounce propane canisters all filled up right off a bulk tank. Great little device here.